Welcome to Slow Home Studio. Too many people live in badly designed houses, and we want to change that.
Today we're going to be finishing off our discussion about Mike and Denise's house in Virginia by looking at the second floor plan. But before we get to that, we want to address some questions that came up about our first floor plan earlier in the week.
Yeah, we love having the comments on the site, so these are great. Couple comments. Yi Chang made a comment about the entry door and how the entry door lined up with the door to the bathroom, and thought maybe that wasn't possibly the most ideal situation. Was there something we could come up with? And Grace made the comment about the idea of actually coming from the entry and then going through the kitchen, and maybe that isn't the most ideal sort of circulation path into the rest of the house.
And my first response was, well, there's nothing we can do about it, because that's just the way the original house was. And of course, I was just being a typical architect. Then I started to think about it. Then we chatted about it. We actually came up with an alternate plan, which is actually really, really simple, which was to just relocate the closet so that instead of coming this way into the house, you come this way into the house, and that then you're moving into this living space where the kitchen's around the back. Now, some people don't like to have that bathroom off the kitchen, which I can also understand, and I think then it would just be a question of flipping that around, having the door off of there, and then probably relocating these the washer dryer into that new addition that Mike was talking about.
I think the one good thing about having the bathroom where it is in relation to the washer dryer is there is that sort of bit of service space vestibule. So it does, if the door opened right to the island, I'd say that's a no, no, no. But this actually does provide that little bit of separation, so that feels like a service space.
So now let's move up to the second floor, and this is very, very simple. This is the original, and really it was Mike's desire, Mike and Denise's desire, to open that up and have that not as a bedroom, and more as an office library, and
get rid of the wall here, so it was
right.
open to the space below.
And so we took that. I also took the liberty of doing a couple of other little things here. I mean, thinking about that, I actually think it would be better to relocate that door. I do not like coming right up against that wall right there and then having to turn the corner. I think it's nicer if you have the door there. That also would then let you remove this wall potentially, as long as it's not load bearing, so that it makes that loft space feel bigger.
Yeah, I think that's a really good plan. The bathroom is interesting because you worked within the confines of the existing bathroom, which was really, really small. But by relocating the sink and then making a slightly bigger shower, putting the toilet in the corner, it actually reorganizes the bathroom, I think, in quite an elegant way. The trick is, though, is that you don't have the clearance here for the 24, 22, and 24-inch counter that you typically have. So there's a little bit of a millwork trick there, making a shallow depth counter.
Right, basically a semi-cast sink, so that it's a, what is that, typically about a foot?
Yeah, typically it would cantilever out maybe 9, 10 inches from the counter. So you can kind of cheat the distance there because your countertop can actually be set back so it fits in behind that wall, which will give you the illusion of a vanity without actually needing the space for vanity.
Perfect. All right, Mike, Denise, I hope that helps you out with your plans. If you undertake this renovation and go through, we'd love to hear back from you, see some photographs. If anybody else has some comments, let us know, and we'll be starting another design project next week.
See you next time.
Bye.